Now the wind's picking up, that means the snow blowing around a little bit more. So let's get to the important thing, those road conditions. Dew point meter right there, all the way up. Keep going to an oppressive feeling for today as we see dew points around the region already in the 70s. Right there, we can see that difference between the blues and the greens where the front has passed over, 40s and 30s behind it. 50s and 60s for us in front of it. So this is the weather that'll be making its way towards our region once that front passes over us tonight. Here at Whitestown Park, seeing one of the bigger snowfalls of the season and many local kids out enjoying their first snow day of the year.
Maybe we need a viewer poll.
I think we should. Let us know, did you or did you not like Spencer's beard from No Shape? Just let us know. We won't tell him either. Are possible with this band. And then for the next 12 hours, 7 a.m. on Saturday to 7 p.m. on Saturday right there. Again, still that band mainly in the Tug Hill region. Up first, 10 p.m. Snow arriving to Utica and south of the Thruway by around 10. And then stopping our clock again at 1 a.m. We can see that line around Madison, Shenango counties where it's already switched over to that sleet and freezing rain. I want to mention that along with that snow, we have some gustier winds, gusts up to about 23 miles per hour as those winds come across those lakes. So last week we saw a lot of lake effect snow on Wednesday, the Syracuse area especially getting hit. I was fortunate enough to be outside doing a live shot last week at the noon. That's out in Verona, where they saw about 5 inches by noon last Wednesday. And this event, I was just telling you on the break, is looking very similar to last week where Syracuse area gets hit the hardest, but still we have that chance to see some snowfall again for the area starting tonight all the way into Tuesday.
It's got to be one of the trickiest forecasts in the country.
It is, because these lake effect bands, they have a mind of their own, so we can kind of have a general idea where it's going to set up, but when it comes to that day, those winds can just shift that little bit and that band will wobble over our region.
Yeah.
So it's definitely a trickier forecast. I don't even want to know how long I've been spending on this forecast, but we'll get to what's going on right now. We've got that lake effect snow warning in effect. This begins Monday at around 1 a.m. and goes until Tuesday at about 7 p.m. We can see majority of our viewing region in this lake effect warning. That'll be Herkimer, Oneida, Madison, Oswego, Jefferson, Lewis, Onondaga counties right there all the way until Tuesday night. Now we are sitting at 28 degrees. We got that south-southeast wind about 3 miles per hour. So things quieting down a little bit this morning. Our cool spot 21 up in Inlet, mostly in the upper 20s. We got 30 down in Norwich. A little bit of lake effect snow lingering right on to the north country throughout these morning hours. That'll begin to taper off as we head into the afternoon. We can see just generating some light snow throughout those overnight hours, but clouds sticking in place for this morning. Now what's going on? We have a nice low pressure system out to our northwest. With that, a cold front. This will arrive tonight. Now with that, it'll bring some snow squalls, which could be heavier bursts of snow during a very short amount of time, making visibility bad and dropping about 1 to 2 inches of snow as it passes. Once that cold front passes, winds shifting out of the northwest, and that's when that lake effect snow band will begin to set up. And we're going to see all of this on our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Dry throughout those daytime hours, just some cloudy skies out there. And then look at that. We'll stop that clock right there around 8:30 p.m. They got that snow squall beginning to enter Oneida County. The heaviest of it looking to arrive here around 9 to 10 o'clock. Again, blowing snow, heavier snow at times. That'll continue into the overnight hours, and then we can see right there by Monday morning, lake effect snow setting up to the north country. And then it begins to break up a little bit before winds shift just a little more northwesterly, bringing that snow south of the Thruway. As far as snowfall amounts for the first 12 hours, 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. when these squalls pass over, 1 to 3 for our area, 3 to 6, and a little bit more for the Tug Hill where that lake effect snow sets up for those nighttime hours. Now let's get to the band on Monday. The best chance for us to see it will be Monday afternoon when it looks to intensify just a little bit more, sticking around for the majority of the middle of the afternoon before it drops back south throughout Monday night and into Monday evening. So what we see as far as this goes, snowfall amounts for the next 12 hours, 8 a.m. Monday, 8 p.m., the majority of it out in Syracuse. The band making that little bit of a northwest to southeasterly flow. about 3 to 5 here. Now for the total 24 hours, add the 2 snowfall maps up. That's approximately how much we'll see in 24 hours. Highs today, low 30, dry start, snow squalls by the late. Tonight, we're dropping back down mid-teens, snow squalls, then lake effect snow. Here's that 7-day forecast. We're dropping back down to the 20s, even the teens by Tuesday. We'll keep an eye on where those bands exactly set up. Again, this is an approximate snowfall of what we're expecting to see in these regions. The good news, though, looking to get a little more quiet in the snow department as we head into the end of the work week. So let's see. Do you know you were hot on this trivia yesterday?
I was.
Where was Martin Luther King born?
I'm going to go with Birmingham.
It was Atlanta, Georgia. You get another try. We'll give you another try. Next half hour.
I thought Atlanta was too obvious.
No.
Shoot.
Sometimes it might be go with your gut.
Yeah.